Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Wuwa version and plugin compatibility so nothing surprises you mid-apply. Once done, export the live state and create a timestamped backup to restore quickly if needed. Next, open the Wuwa CLI, target the intended environment, and run a dry run apply using the local config file. This shows plan changes without making them. This sequence prevents screw-ups early, gives visibility into diffs, and sets you up to proceed safely into actual execution. You now resolve variables and secrets so the rendered config matches production requirements. First, inject secrets via vault or environment variables to keep secrets out of files, then render the final manifests so you can inspect exact payloads. After verifying, run a staged apply with limited concurrency to reduce blast radius. This lets changes roll out in controlled batches. Make sure to monitor task output for resource conflicts and dependency errors, so you finish by validating the deployment with health checks and quick smoke tests, confirming endpoints respond and logs show no critical errors. Once happy, finalize the change by committing or promoting the applied config, tagging the release, and updating the changelog for traceability. If something goes wrong, use the backup to roll back immediately. Run the Wuwa rollback command with the timestamped backup, and then reevaluate the rendered config. Key troubleshooting tip: always check rendered diffs and dependency order first. They reveal most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.